Hello everyone, my name's Mario Gaoa, and today I'm in the beautiful islands of Samoa, and I'm going to teach you how to survive an extreme event with just a humble coconut tree. Come on! Imagine this! Your plane's just crashed, you've washed up ashore on this deserted island, you're hungry, you're tired, you've got absolutely nothing, but more importantly, you're thirsty. You look up and you see the answer to your prayers, the humble coconut tree. Now comes the hard part. You've got to climb the tree to get it. A lot of you off-islanders will have no idea how to climb a coconut tree, so watch carefully. I will do this only once. Normally I'd do this myself, but my insurance doesn't cover me for stupidity. Stunt double! Now, you won't need muscles the size of a baby elephant to climb a coconut tree, but it does help. In fact, the only thing you'll need is a piece of material to tie between your feet. Lava, t-shirt, pair of undies maybe if you're sized extra large, and the rest of it is sheer upper body strength. So try and choose the smallest tree to climb. Is that a little fast? Let's back it up and take it step by step. All right, grab your t-shirt or cloth, tie it around your feet. Stand at the base of the tree with your arms around the trunk, chest level. When you're ready, jump on the trunk using your upper body to drag you up, while at the same time bringing both feet as far up toward the hips as possible. Both your feet clamp around the trunk of the tree, while the material between your feet catches on the grooves of the coconut bark, which allows you to push up from your legs and repeat the same process all the way to the top. Then it's just a matter of picking a pod and throwing it down. So now you got your coconut. I know what you're wondering. You're wondering to yourself, hey, this looks nothing like the coconut at Food Town. That's because you need to husk it. Stunt double! Husking a coconut requires a little bit of muscle. Firstly, find a sharp object to break the husk. Important tip, try and hit it at an angle. Then it's simply a matter of peeling away the husk until all you're left with is the coconut. So now you got your coconut, but you're thinking to yourself, hey, how do I open this? Firstly, you want to find the face of the coconut, which is the 3 indents at the bottom. Then you want to find one of the 4 prominent lines that run down the length of the shell. Then using a smooth-edged rock, strike the center of the line. Rotate the coconut and strike again. If it hasn't cracked yet, use some more muscle. Too easy. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Finally, you've unlocked the secrets to the tree of life. How to climb the coconut tree, get the coconut, open the coconut, drink the goodness. Next time, I'm going to teach you how to make some shelter. From the Isles of Samoa, this is Mario Gaoa signing off. Stunt double! Stay.